Do you like buying natural peanut butter, but you dread using it because it always gets separated? All the oil goes to the top, and when you try to stir it, it's a real mess. Now, there's a lot of suggestions on the internet about what you can do to cure this. One is a pretty good one that says just to store the peanut butter upside down so all of the oil goes to the top and it makes it easier to stir. But for me, I still find it very hard to stir that way. Another suggestion is going in with a hand mixer, but only using one of the mixers, putting it into the jar and letting it go. A lot of it still glumps out for me, and it's just messy. So guess what? There's a super easy way to do this. Just get it in a different container and get it in a container that has more volume going widthwise than the jar. Here's an example. This is some peanut butter. Now I'm getting close to the bottom of the jar. Here's some peanut butter that I transferred to a dish. Oh, I don't know, a week or two ago. The last time I used it was a day or two ago. Normally all of the oil would have separated at this point, but instead I just have a thin layer of oil on the top, and all I have to do is stir it up very easily to get it to work. So what you want to do, I'm using one of those glass lock containers that snaps. Get a fresh one. Get that jar open. And just get it all out and into your container. Sorry, this is a little slippery because I got some oil on the outside. Get all of the peanut butter out. It does help to put the jar upside down before you empty all the peanut butter out. So keep that in mind. Some of it might be really kind of hard and lumpy. Just use a nice strong spoon and take it out. I think that's about everything. Still more. I'll get the rest later. Okay, so you see what I've done here? I've now created an area where it is very, very easy to stir the peanut butter and to get it where I want it for cooking, for baking, for snacking, for sandwiches, whatever. Just stir it up really good. And there you have it. Your peanut butter is ready to go. It will be so easy to do a quick stir and measure it out for your next recipe. Enjoy this. Now I don't dread cooking with natural or baking with natural peanut butter anymore. It's become a pleasure because it's so much easier to work with. And there you have it. It's stirred and ready to go. You want to just put your lid on and then have it ready for you in your cabinet. You know, peanut butter does not have to be refrigerated, so just keep it in your cupboard the way you would your regular peanut butter. I don't know about you, but I very often have a hard time getting these glass locks to seal. I have arthritic hands and peanut butter on my fingers. So I find that just by tapping it down on a hard counter surface will seal it. Hopefully you don't have arthritic hands like I do, and it goes a lot easier. But man, are you going to love this peanut butter hack. Take care. See you again soon.